What is up, YouTube? What is up, trading family? Hope y'all are having a good morning so far. We're going to do a quick recap of yesterday's stream, this setup that I was looking at on Euro NOK, the Norwegian krone here. So if you were on the live stream yesterday, you remember that I was waiting for price to get up into this supply area, this bearish order block here. As you can see today, we have purged up into that area with a pretty long wick on the daily setup here. And what did I do? What did I do when price got to this area that I was looking at? Well, let's go down to the 5 minute just to make this video shorter here. So what did I see here? Wednesday starts here. We get some bullish action up into this area here. And what happened when price reached this area? Um, remember, um, this is our daily area right here. Right? This line represents our daily order block, our supply area. So what happened when price got up here? Well, you see a quick purge to the upside, and then price makes a lower high, giving us a shift in that market structure. Now, if we see where minor structure right here had gotten broken, right, with this quick push to the downside, we should be thinking now that there should be some bearish order flow taking place in this setup here. So what did I wait for when price broke this structure, right? Well, I waited for price to get back to this area. And as price started heading back up into this area, I entered my position for a sell around here. I had my stop loss just above this high here, around 20, 23 pips or so. And then I had my TP at this low right around here for 80 or so pips, right? So what's the main key here, right? If you have a higher time frame point of interest, there's a break of structure. If you have a higher time frame point of interest that you're looking at, right? And sometimes people have a fear of just entering a trade. So the smartest thing you can do is wait for a change in sentiment and price action and giving you that verification that that it'll be okay to enter a position, whether it be buying or selling. So we can see here, this is the setup that I had, and here is the trade, right? So you can see I entered, had a little bit of drawdown, not too worried about it. It's a 5 minute time frame. But yeah, 80 pips and I'm done. I'm gonna enjoy my day now. And I hope you guys enjoyed this recap. If you guys enjoyed this recap, give me a like, subscribe, hit give me a comment down below. And don't miss these live streams, guys. Don't miss these live streams. There's free money on here, There's free setups, free money. It might not be every day that free money is given, but today was a one of those days in particular. So recap, price came back up to our supply zone, gave a shift in market structure, break of structure, return to point of interest, and that's where we enter for this beautiful 80 pip sell. So hope you guys enjoy this video and this recap, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.